Well, good afternoon, YouTube channel. It's Belmont here. And what I got here today is the Masterlock number 3 that I picked up at my local Target 3 weeks ago. And that model is the 3DLF. And apparently it's been given a rating of 5. So today I'm going to rake this open, which is a low skill attack, and just to show you the function of it, here's the key. There's the bitting. There's your Masterlock. Oh yeah, and here's your code for it. All acquainted? Good. Now that key, it doesn't just slide in easy. You gotta shuffle it in. Turns. Now it's a spring lock, but it's not key retaining. Meaning I can pull it out. Now there comes the rub. So see these? Yeah. This is the kind of tension turning tool that is more custom for this lock and how it operates. And again, we're using low skill attacks here, which, by the way, both picking with a hook and raking are both considered low skill attacks. More to the point, just about everything in locksport is a low skill attack. So, for example, you are using jigglers, for example, to unlock a lock on a store case. That's a low skill attack too. Or if you're slipping the latch of a door, it's also a low skill attack. Same with using the J turning tool, which you can easily find on AliExpress for just under $8. That's with tax and shipping. It's all low skill attacks. Even if you're bypassing with the cone picks like I did on my previous video last week, it's all low skill. The only thing that really makes it a high skill attack is if you're, I don't know, trying to manually dial a combination lock or safe and crack it old school like some cat burglars used to do. Pretty much everything is a low skill attack, including making shims or using a piece of plastic to slip the latch and get through a door. It's all low skill. It doesn't take a whole lot of training. It just takes some observation watching some videos, and then learning how to do the process yourself. So I hope everyone's listening, especially one SD Bob Snake Plissken. And, you know, I'm going to gain subscribers and I'm going to lose them. That's the name of the game. Whether you choose to subscribe or not, or whether you choose to follow or not, that's entirely up to you. I'm going to keep making these videos for as long as possible until I die. And it's not necessarily that I see something that looks cool to me. Well, hell, if it came to it looks cool, that would pretty much describe everyone in the locksport community, even when they started buying the so-called game changers, the Lishi 2-in-1 tools. Yeah, they look pretty cool when they're opening the best brand 6 and 7 pin locks, or the American lock series. So here endeth the lesson on that. I want to say thank you to my subscribers and my followers on TikTok. You guys help make this possible too. And we're climbing up past 1,036. So enjoy yourselves. Stick around for next week's video. And as always, this is Belmont saying, stick around.